Hi, today I'm with me Redmi Note 12s and I'll show you how to change icons shape with X icon changer app on this device. So first we should get the X icon changer app from the Play Store. That's why I open the application and in the search bar enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why I tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Now just tap to open the app. And here you'll see all of the available applications. So just to change one from these available icons, you should select the application. You could rename it by tap here to decide its name. Tap on the library to see here the folders with different icons. You could also use photo from your device gallery or to take a picture in the camera app. For example, let's use one from these icons. So let's find the similar to the settings icon, for example this one. Okay, this one. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. So now we should go to the system settings to open shortcut permissions. So tap to other permission, click here to always allow, show and lock screen. Okay, let's always allow all of the options. Let's go back, tap by the same way on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should skip the ads, so click to the X icons. And we could go to desktop or change next icon by the same way. So now let's check and we could see the new settings icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.